Hello, I'm Laura from Foxtecc, and today we're going to talk about why you might need a radio adapter for your iPhone. To get straight to the point, iPhones don't have a built-in FM radio tuner, which means they can't pick up over-the-air radio signals on their own. That's where a radio adapter comes in. A radio adapter allows you to connect your iPhone to FM radio frequencies, so you can listen to audio through an FM radio. It works by transmitting audio from your iPhone to a radio frequency that you can then tune into on a nearby radio. This is really useful in situations like playing music or podcasts in a car, or on older audio systems that don't have Bluetooth or an AUX input. It gives you a simple way to enjoy your iPhone's audio content without needing a modern sound system. In addition to playing audio from your iPhone, a radio adapter provides a workaround for listening to FM radio without needing internet streaming. While the iPhone doesn't support direct FM radio playback, the adapter lets you still use traditional radio frequencies for audio, especially when you want to avoid data usage or don't have internet access. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped explain why a radio adapter might be useful for your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips. See you later.